to show you guys. So this is my normal driving lights, and then this is my high beam, very average, and then this is my spotlights. So yeah, it actually pays to get some really good spotlights if you're driving on these little roads at night. It helps so much. G'day guys, welcome back to another video. I just finished work up the vineyards, just had a gig on, and it's about stupid o'clock now, 1:30 in the morning, and I just arrived at Lostock Dam. The comp starts at 5:30 in the morning, and yeah, I'm gonna try and get a couple of hours sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. So oh, you got a motor as well?
Yeah, that's what makes that move.
Yeah, okay. That makes sense. My legs are burning now. Yeah, right. G'day guys. Oh well, bit of a late start. I left the boat ramp and I forgot my two side rod holders. So had to make a quick dash back to the car, grab them, and I think I was about second last to leave the ramp. But anyway, no real plan. I haven't fished here in about a year, and the water's at 95%, which, you know, a lot of those shallower areas, a lot more water in there. So not sure really where to fish. I'm gonna head up the south arm, the left side of the fork, and give that a crack. Yeah, I caught my PB up in the left arm many years ago, about 47 centimeters. That's my PB bass. Not real big, but yeah. But anyway, I'll get into some fishing, and hopefully I can get three. I need 3 for a bag limit. So yeah, she's beautifully nice and calm at the moment. 6:30 in the morning, and yeah, let's get into them. Stealthy?
No, mate.
Alrighty, it's 8 o'clock and no fish yet. I'm going to try something a bit different and try and get one on a plastic. I've never actually caught a bass in my life on a plastic, so if I get one, I'll be stoked. Just using the bait junkies. I see them all schooled up, so hopefully they eat this. Hobbo with what size?
32.
32.
Smallest so far.
Smallest so far. Number 3. He's laughing. He's going to be in the top 3 for sure.
Upgrade time.
He's put in the effort, but he's been here since Wednesday? Wednesday. That's looking bassy. And snaky as well. Bassy and snaky. Oh, weedy over there. Oh yes, that's a good one. Oh, decent. In the weed. No, don't come off. Squeeze under that weed. See ya, got one. Way up the back of these reaches. First bass, it's 9.24 and it's got this 31.5 centimetre. So yeah, stoked about that. I'm way up this creek. Like, look how skinny the water is up here. Caught him on the TN60 in purple colour, and yeah, let's get him back in the water. At the end of this little creek. We launched over here, come down here into this left arm, right up into this creek, virtually the furthest you can go. Can't catch one on cue.
How you doing, mate? No luck today for me, I tell you.
Yeah. If I don't catch a fish, I won't be able to make a video. I'll get your video and you might see yourself on the video.
Oh yeah. Wait till I lose something.
What'd you get him on, mate?
On the TN50.
Yeah,
Ghost
right.
Red Billy.
Yeah, righto. Let you measure him.
Thanks, mate.
Wow.
Doing some work.
Me?
Man, that was some tough fishing. I only got the one fish, but I think a lot of people didn't even catch a fish. So a few people caught some, but for the majority it was very hard. Anyway, for those interested in the little shortcut on the way home from Lostock Dam, we're about 3k's out, I think, and these guys here, they'll turn right and I'll go straight ahead, which is called Cross Keys Road. It's a little gravel road, and there's 2 water crossings, but the dam's full at the moment and flowing over the spillway, so the water crossings can be pretty deep. So just enter at your own risk and suss it out for yourself. Yeah, just make sure you put it in 4-wheel drive, and I wouldn't recommend any smaller cars going through at this stage. But just up here, I'll show you, and yeah. Alrighty guys, we're just coming up to the first water crossing now. Yep, she's pretty full, flowing reasonably. We'll just chuck it in 4-wheel drive, and then yeah, we're heading through now. Oh, that last bit, a little bit slippery in my rear end. Just started coming out to the right a little bit, but we did get through. Now there actually is another water crossing that I forgot about further up, which I forgot to record, and it was flowing a lot faster, so I would only recommend 4-wheel drives to go through here. But yeah, stay safe and enter at your own risk, I guess.
Alright, everyone stay. Wayne's a wanker.
Wayne's a wanker!
Thanks, mate. Alright, another one. Mix it.